In Jamaica of the 1950s, a time of pride and glee, the island's beauty shone, a place of liberty. The sun would rise each morn, with golden light, and dance upon the waves, in shimmering sight. The people sang and danced, with joy and grace, their laughter and music filled the place. Their culture and traditions, a rich display, a heritage so strong, in every way. The children played, with smiles so bright, their innocence and wonder, a pure delight. Their laughter echoed, through the streets, as they chased each other, with joyful feet. The men and women, with strength and pride, worked hard to build a better life. Their dreams and hopes, a beacon light, a brighter future, in sight. The 1950s in Jamaica, a time of change, a nation growing, with each passing range. The spirit of the people, a force so strong, a legacy of love, that would last all night long.